palm, A palms at, what is the value for x? (46.13 liters per minute). Pump B pumps at 46.13 minus 10, so 36.13 liters per minute. Now that we are going to pump them together, combine, they pump at how many liters per minute? Okay, what goes into this blank? What are the numbers that go in? Add them up lah. So 36.13 plus 46.13, 82.26 liters per minute. Do we have the volume? Yeah, we have 3,500. Then I'm sure you can do it already, right? Just divide lah. Right, question 7. Anyone? Needs help for question 7. Which part? B part 2. Anybody needs help for part A? And for part B, part 1? So it's just B part 2. Calculate the shaded area. So just this part. Whenever you're told to calculate shaded areas like this, right, you must have a plan. Definitely it's going to be something minus something, right? So first, are we able to find the area of the big circle? Can? Area of big circle, is it possible to find it? Yes. So I need to take area of big circle minus the unshaded part, right? Now, can you find the area of the unshaded part? Any part that you can find. And usually they are nice to you. Whatever they have given, they have asked you to do in the previous parts, usually will be useful. Did they ask you to find area? OAC. They asked you to find OAC already. So you have this area, right? In part 1. Which means you also have this area. Yes? Then what else is left? This one and this one. Yes? As long as I find the 2 question mark, I take big circle minus the 2 question mark minus the 2 red color part, you get the answer. Yes? So how to find the question mark over there? What is this shape over here? Sector. Area of sector equals to a part of a circle, isn't it? This sector over here is a part of a circle. If I know the area of the circle, I can find it. For example, if my sector looks like this, how many parts of a circle? 1 out of 4. If I know the entire area, I divide by 4, right? What if my part of the circle looks like this? This is a semicircle. So it's half of a circle, right? But what if it is something like this? 60 degrees. How many parts of a circle is this? 1 over 6. How do you get 1 over 6? 60 divided by 360 lah. Then you multiply by area, you get the area of the sector, isn't it? I'm talking about degrees over here because this question is in degrees. If it is in radian, do you know the formula for area of sector? Half r square theta, where theta is in radian. But right now it is not in radian. You have an option to do it this method by proportion, or you can change it to radian and use it directly. Which one do you want me to demonstrate? The radian one or proportion? Which one do you want me to demonstrate? Proportion? Okay. What is the angle over here? Is it given to us? OAC is 30, right? So this one is 30 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. This must be 60 degrees. So this must be 120 degrees, right? Okay, now I've got one sector already. So area of sector equals to 120 over 360 times pi radius square. What's the radius of the small circle? Is it given to us? No, but we could calculate. Earlier when you found the area of the triangle OAC, did you have to find the radius? Half times half AB sine C. I believe that's what you used. You use that for area of triangle? Okay, then what is one of your sides? You use 7, isn't it? What is the other side? 6.06 blah blah blah. What is that? What are you referring to? Which line segment? Or you use AC? Did all of you do that? Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Alternatively, let me just find out the radius for you now. This is O. This is C. I've got a right angle triangle. This is 30 degrees. This is 7. How much is this? Which trigo ratio do we use? Which trigo ratio do we use? Can use sine rule. But there is no need to use sine rule when you have a right angle triangle like this. I can simply use my trigo ratio. Okay, so what trigo ratio should we use? Sine. Sine 30 degrees equals to CO over 7. CO equals to 7 sine 30 degrees, which is 3.5. So the radius is 3.5. So put it inside here, 3.5 square. So this is the area of one sector. How many sectors are there? 2. So for 2 sectors, multiply by 2. So you get a 2 blue question mark already. Which means you can now find the area of the shaded region. The yellow color part. Can? We will resume next week when you are back. Your homework is 2017 paper 1. Due on Monday.